Hey guys, today we are going to be making a beach scene like the one that I have used in the minifigure fun to make a scene. So I'm going to make that. Now I'm going to start out with the beach part. So I'm going to need this, and then I'm going to need a bunch of these 1x2 flat tiles. So I'm going to use one of these to connect it all together, and maybe I want to make a pink and, okay, you know what, I want to make a pink and orange. One right over here, and then I could use this. Then I want to make a blue and green one right over here. And then use this as, okay. Next, we're going to be adding an ocean, but before we do that, I'm just gonna add a whole bunch of the flowers over here. So I'm going to stick them on right over here. Now I just have a whole bunch of these other things that I wanted to add, so I put them in. So that is the beach part. Now we are going to add the ocean part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to need this big rock piece. I'm going to put it over here. And now I'm going to need this. And I'm going to put it over here. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be making the palm trees. So I'm going to need this piece, and I'm going to stick it on here. You'll need another one of those. And then finally one that's plain without this. So what I'm going to need is these. I'm going to stick this on top over here. Then I'm going to add this over here. And this one, 1x2 jumper plate. I'm going to put the one without the coconut sort of thing on the jumper plate. The one with the coconut over here. And the one with no flowers in the back. Next, I'm going to be making the place where the fish will hang out. So I'm going to need these pieces. So I'm going to need this one and this piece, and I'm going to need a fish on it. And this basically has a 1x1 plate on it, so on the bottom. And I'm going to put this over here. And then this goes down here. I actually got this build idea from Lego, the app Lego Instructions. So if you want, you can go there. But I thought it was pretty cool and fun. So I wanted to extend it. I wanted to extend the scene a bit more. So because I had all of these extra pieces, so I wanted to extend it, like how I said. Next, we're going to be making the part where they will be able to surf. So I'm going to need this. It basically has this I don't know what it's called. It's a 2x2 something, I don't know. So, and I'm going to need a 2x2 plate. I'm going to put it on the bottom. Then this 1x2 jumper plate. Next, this piece. It's basically a 1x4 plate with that piece on top. And then what I'm going to need is I'm going to need these pieces. So all this is I put a 1x1 plate on this, and I'm going to need 4 more of those. And I'm going to use this one. I'm going to put it right here. Next, I'm going to use this, and I'm going to put it right here. And then I'm going to need this 1x1 transparent glue stud. to cover up this gray part. And then I'm going to use this 1x1 transparent blue stud. And I'm just going to scatter them around like this. And I'm going to put a whole bunch of other 1x1 blue studs around. Maybe one near the fish. And over here. Okay, next we're going to build the waterfall part. So we are almost done. So we need a whole bunch of these pieces. And I'm going to use this big waterfall piece. I'm going to put these 1x4 flat tiles on top like this. Okay, so I'm going to put just 4 of these on top like this. Next I'm going to use these 2x4 bricks. 2x4 plates like that. Now I'm going to use this 1x4 transparent blue plate. There's a little bit of dust on it. Okay, so I'm going to use it and I'm going to put it on. And then I'm going to attach this over here. But before I do that, wait, I just want to move this over by maybe a stud. Yeah, I want to move it over. Actually, I think it might be perfect. Maybe, I'm not sure. Yeah, I want to move it over a bit. Okay, so I'm just going to take all of this off. Eek, the fish. Okay. I really need this brick separator. Okay. So I'm going to use this and then move it over a bit. Right over here. Okay. So, maybe I could use this in the back over here. And I can move this over here. Okay. And yeah. I'm going to put the fish back on. Sorry for disturbing you, fish. Okay. So I'm going to attach these 2x2 circular plates. And then attach the waterfall piece. And now we have a waterfall. That's not it. We add these 1x1 cheese slope sort of pieces. And now finally the surfboard. And we are done. Now I just have this extra red flower and I just want to put it over here. So yeah, that concludes the tutorial of how to build an easy beach scene. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and yeah, bye.